Knowing whether a customer is new or returning changes everything, from the email you send to the offer you make. This flow keeps your customer tags accurate automatically on every single order. Start in Sidekick with one plain language instruction. Sidekick drafts the workflow and shows how first-time and repeat buyers get tagged. Open the Flow editor to review the draft. The workflow starts with the order created trigger. A condition checks order.customer.numberOfOrders and branches on whether that count equals 1. On the true path, the workflow adds the first-time buyer tag. On the false path, it adds the repeat buyer tag. It also removes the first-time buyer tag if that tag still exists. Add the draft to the store, then turn the workflow on. Once active, every new order updates the customer profile without manual cleanup. A first order applies first-time buyer on the customer profile. A returning order swaps to repeat buyer and clears the first-time tag.